Hey guys, welcome to the 11th part in the Roblox Scripting for Beginners tutorial series. Today we're going to be doing for loops, so let's get started. I'm going to create a new script, and these are very simple, so let's just do for I equals 1 and 100 do. Now, what this is doing is it's saying it's creating a variable named I and setting it to 1. And then this for loop will go until that I is equal to 100. And how it works is that with every loop it goes through, it'll add 1 to this I. So if I print I, as you can see, we aren't actually increasing the I manually. If I run it, you'll see it goes from 1 to 100. You can also make it go negative, so if I just add another parameter here, do -1 instead, and set this to -100, you'll see that it'll go down instead of up. This is useful if you need to go through if you need to count how many times you do something with a number, such as in Doors games with generation. I know you've been waiting for me to say something about doors. I see your comments. Yeah. Now there's also for loops when you get objects in a table or something instead of just numbers. Tables have not been covered yet. Do not worry. But I'll just make something very quickly. So local table. Oh wait, that's a keyword. The table equals curly brackets, and then I'll do hello, hi, how's it going? I didn't add an equal sign there. Okay, so now we have these three values, hello, hi, and how's it going. Not going to explain that just yet. So if we do for I, v in I pairs, and then we provide the table, do, and then if we print v, you'll see that it prints each one. Now, in this, I is the number that we're up to in this table, so it'll start at 1 and go up to 3 in this case, because that's how big the table is. And v is the value that we're up to in the table. You can also do this for game objects children. So if I create a part and then I add, say, a texture under it and an animator, oh never mind, an animation controller and accessory. These are all just random, there's no meaning to these. And then I put workspace dot part get children, and I run it, you'll see it'll now print texture, animation controller, and accessory, because that is within the children of this part. Now, you can also use pairs to loop through a dictionary. Now, you might not know what that is. I'm going to give a very brief explanation since I've mentioned it. It's just a table where each value has its own value equals that way. So that is what a dictionary would look like. It's a table where each value has its own value. So it's like a key and a value right there. So if I were to run that with the pairs, my table, instead of I being a number, it would be this key here. As you can see that way, and if I print I here, and it'll say mall. But if I went back to using that part and print I, you shall see it'll print 1, 2, and 3. Alright, that's about it for loops. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.